Imagine driving over a simple rubber mat every day, never realizing the incredible journey hidden beneath its rugged surface. Most people see only the finished product, but behind every mat stands chemistry, giant machines, and astonishing engineering precision. Think about this. One factory can produce thousands of rubber mats every single day without sacrificing remarkable consistency or strength. Every groove traps dirt, every pattern adds grip, and every tiny detail begins with carefully selected raw ingredients. But here's what nobody tells you. These mats survive crushing weight, freezing winters, blazing summers, and relentless daily abuse. Engineers design each formula to resist water, chemicals, abrasion, ultraviolet light, and years of constant punishment without failing. The smell of warm rubber fills the air, while giant mixers rumble louder than a passing freight train. And this is where it gets truly extraordinary. The recipe inside one rubber mat contains far more than simple rubber. What happens next surprised even experienced engineers, because the journey begins thousands of kilometers away from this factory floor. Your rubber mat's journey begins in tropical plantations across Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam, where millions of rubber trees grow under warm, humid skies. Before sunrise, skilled workers carefully slice the bark, releasing white latex that slowly drips into waiting collection cups. Each mature tree produces only about 50 grams of dry rubber daily, making every precious drop count. Factories also blend synthetic rubber made from petroleum, creating compounds that resist chemicals, heat, and years of heavy wear. But here's what nobody tells you. Rubber alone cannot survive extreme conditions without powerful reinforcing ingredients hidden inside. Carbon black, often over 25% of the mixture, gives rubber mats their famous strength, toughness, and deep black color. Special oils improve flexibility, while sulfur and accelerators prepare the compound for the remarkable chemical transformation called vulcanization. Imagine these ingredients traveling thousands of kilometers by trucks, cargo ships, and rail before finally reaching the manufacturing plant. Engineers inspect every shipment for purity, moisture, contamination, and consistency before allowing even one batch into production. What happens after these carefully tested ingredients enter the roaring mixers transforms soft compounds into nearly indestructible industrial materials. The real transformation begins as giant internal mixers combine rubber and additives at nearly 150 degrees Celsius, or 302 degrees Fahrenheit, under intense mechanical force. Powerful twin rotors spin around 30 to 60 revolutions per minute, kneading the mixture for nearly 5 minutes until every ingredient blends perfectly. The air smells warm and oily as carbon black disappears into the compound, creating an incredibly smooth, jet black rubber mixture. Next, the hot compound feeds into heavy rolling mills, where steel rollers flatten it into thick, uniform rubber sheets. Most people never think about this, but laser sensors continuously measure sheet thickness within fractions of a millimeter. Workers carefully cut each sheet before automated presses shape the final mat using custom-engineered steel molds with intricate surface patterns. Hydraulic presses apply up to 200 bar, about 2,900 psi, forcing every groove and texture into the soft compound. Inside heated molds, vulcanization transforms the rubber at approximately 170 degrees Celsius, or 338 degrees Fahrenheit, creating durable sulfur crosslinks throughout the material. After several minutes, cooling systems stabilize every mat before robotic arms gently lift each finished piece onto moving conveyors. But one hidden stage still decides whether every mat reaches customers or gets rejected before leaving the factory forever. Every finished rubber mat now enters the factory's most demanding stage, where advanced technology searches for defects invisible to human eyes. High-speed cameras capture thousands of images every minute, while artificial intelligence instantly detects tiny cracks, bubbles, and surface imperfections. Laser scanners measure every critical dimension with tolerances often within plus or minus 0.5 millimeters, ensuring each mat fits exactly as engineers intended. Most factories reject roughly 1 to 3% of production before packaging, protecting customers from hidden manufacturing defects. But here's what nobody tells you. Machines cannot recognize every problem, and experienced inspectors still make the final critical decisions. Skilled hands instantly notice subtle texture changes, tiny edge flaws, or unusual flexibility that even advanced sensors sometimes miss. Next comes durability testing, where hydraulic machines repeatedly compress the mat with thousands of heavy loading cycles. Other samples stretch, twist, freeze below minus 30 degrees Celsius, then heat above 70 degrees to verify long-term performance. Only after passing demanding internal standards and certifications does every approved rubber mat earn permission to leave the factory. Yet one final surprise remains, because the worldwide impact of these everyday products reaches far beyond almost anyone's imagination. Every year, manufacturers produce hundreds of millions of rubber mats, supplying homes, factories, vehicles, gyms, and workplaces across nearly every country. The global rubber mat market generates billions of dollars annually, driven by construction, automotive, industrial safety, fitness, and commercial flooring demand. China leads global production, followed by India, Thailand, Vietnam, and Malaysia, each contributing unique manufacturing expertise and growing export capacity. Together, this worldwide industry supports hundreds of thousands of skilled workers, from plantation harvesters to robotics technicians and logistics specialists. Did you know? Modern rubber mats can survive millions of footsteps before showing significant wear under normal operating conditions. Did you know? Many industrial rubber mats contain recycled rubber, giving worn vehicle tires an entirely new working life. Did you know? Some specialty rubber mats protect workers from electricity, helping reduce dangerous shocks in high-voltage workplaces. Over the past 50 years, factories evolved from labor-intensive workshops into highly automated facilities guided by robots, sensors, and artificial intelligence. Engineers now develop smarter compounds, cleaner production methods, and advanced recycling technologies that could transform the industry's future over the next decade. Now you've seen the hidden world behind an everyday product, but one final message will change how you see every rubber mat forever. The next time you hold one of these in your hands, remember, it didn't just appear. It was born from the earth, shaped by fire, perfected by technology, and approved by the strictest standards in the world before reaching your doorstep. That's not just a product. That's a masterpiece of human engineering, created through science, precision, craftsmanship, and relentless innovation. Every groove tells a story of skilled workers, advanced machines, and remarkable materials working together across continents to create lasting durability. If you want to go deeper into the hidden world of manufacturing, tell us in the comments what product you'd like next. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you inside the next factory. Thanks for watching.